largest and most diverse group of chordates, bullet, well-developed brain, all four chordate features plus cranium. Some vertebrates have no vertebrae, but all have a cranium. Important vertebrate features: living endoskeleton, advanced nervous system, paired, jointed appendages, most but not all. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Agnatha, class, Pteraspidomorphi ostracoderms, early jawless fish, extinct, jawless, armored fish. What would a jawless fish eat? Do they need well-developed appendages to catch food? Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Agnatha, class, Mixini, extant jawless fish, hagfish, aka slime eels. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Agnatha, class, Mixini, extant jawless fish, hagfish, aka slime eels. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Agnatha, class, Cephalaspidomorphi extant jawless fish, lampreys. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Agnatha, class, Cephalaspidomorphi extant jawless fish, lampreys. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Agnatha, class, Cephalaspidomorphi extant jawless fish, lampreys. Life cycle of parasitic lamprey, from Hickman, Roberts, and Larson 11th edition. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Agnatha, class, Cephalaspidomorphi extant jawless fish, lampreys. Lampreys have a freshwater larval stage, amocoete, that resembles lancelets. Both amocoete and lancelets probably closely approach the ancestral vertebrate body plan. Amocoete larva, amocoete. Subphylum, Craniata, lancelet. Subphylum, Cephalochordata. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Plagioddermi extinct armored-jawed fish, bony armor around head like ostracoderms, but had movable jaws. What does a jaw allow a predator to do versus being jawless? What does that do to one's appendages? Jawed vertebrates, gnathostomes. Jaw-mouth. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata. Fish scale types. Scale types are used to put fish into different taxa. So, learn the differences between placoid, ganoid, cycloid and ctenoid scales. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata. Fish scale types. Placoid scales, found in cartilaginous fishes, evolutionary precursors to teeth. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata. Fish scale types. Conoid scales, found in primitive bony fishes, non-teleos, form a non-overlapping mosaic on skin. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata. Fish scale types. Cycloid and ctenoid scales, found in advanced bony fishes, teleos, subclass Neopterygi, thin and flexible, overlap like shingles, reduce drag while swimming. Ctenoid scales, cycloid scales. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes sharks, skates, rays, chimeras. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes sharks, skates, rays, chimeras. Note the difference between male and female sharks. Males have claspers. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes sharks, skates, rays, chimeras. These are called mermaids' purses. They are the egg cases of oviparous chondrichthyans. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes, subclass, elasmobranchi sharks, skates, rays. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes, subclass, elasmobranch. Order: Lamniforms or silicae sharks, with one exception: dorsal fins, anal fin, pectoral fins, pelvic fins. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes, subclass, elasmobranch. Order: Lamniforms or silicae sharks, with one exception: whale shark. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes, subclass, elasmobranch. Order: Lamniforms or silicae sharks, with one exception. Megalodon, Carcharicles. Megalodon lived approximately 23 to 2.6 million years ago. Modern great white shark, Carcharodon carcharias, and human, Homo sapiens. For size comparison: Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes, subclass, elasmobranch. Order: Lamniforms or silicae sharks, with one exception. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes, subclass, elasmobranch. Order: Squaliforms. Dogfish sharks. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, chondrichthyes, subclass, elasmobranch. Order: Ragiforms or batoids, skates and rays. Skates have reduced tails, a distinct caudal fin, mouth to anus length greater than width, blonde skate, Rajabrachyura, yellow spotted skate, Leucoridawalaceae, subphylum, Graniata, superclass, Gnathostomata class, Chondrichthyes, subclass, Elasmobranch, order, Ragiformes or Batoids, skates and rays. Rays have much reduced, long whip-like tail or reduced or no caudal fin, mouth to anus length less than or equals with, ocellated eagle ray, Aenobautis ocellatus, spotted eagle ray, Aenobautis narinari, subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata class, Chondrichthyes, subclass, Elasmobranch, order, Holospherly chimeras and ratfish, bony fishes, formerly referred to as class, Osteichthyes. Compare the differences between a shark and a bony fish. Cartilaginous fish, adult skeleton cartilage, no lungs or swim bladder. Sharks, skates, rays, and chimeras, bony fish, adult skeleton bone, usually, lung or swim bladder derived from gut. Ray fine fishes, coelacanths, lungfishes, and tetrapods. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, ray fin fish, spines or rays to support fins. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, subclass, Chondrosteichthys, paddlefishes, sturgeons. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, subclass, Chondrosteichthys, paddlefishes, sturgeons. Paddlefish, Polyodon spathula, subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, subclass, Chondrosteichthys, paddlefishes, sturgeons. Guinanbichir, Polypterus ansorgii, mottled bichir, Polypterus weeksy, ornate bichir, Polypterus ornatepenis, subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, subclass, Neopterygii intermediate rayfin fish, Garpike and bowfin, have ganoid or cycloid scales. Bowfin, Amia calva, spotted gar, Lepus osteus oculatus, subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, subclass, Neopterygii teleos, advanced rayfin fish, tuna, trout, etc. have cycloid or ctenoid scales. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, subclass, Neopterygii teleos, advanced rayfin fish, tuna, trout, etc. have cycloid or ctenoid scales. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Actinopterygii, subclass, Neopterygii teleos, advanced rayfin fish, tuna, trout, etc. have cycloid or ctenoid scales. This is a remora, which is well known for attaching itself to various species of sharks and getting a free ride. Notice how it is attached with some sort of dorsal sucker, and not with its mouth as one would automatically suppose. While a shark is feeding, the remora will detach itself and feed on the bits of flesh floating around. Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata.
Clas, Actinistia, Acasarcopterygiae, Crusopterygian równa się lobefinnet netfish, extinct except for coelacanths.
Subphylum, Craniata, superclass, Gnathostomata, class, Dipnoid lungfish, extinct.